Hello children. Children, in maths we are going to start a new lesson, that is chapter number 13, handling data. Now children, data means information. Okay, so let's see. Here you can see that this is Rahul and she is Neha. So Rahul says, today I will eat fruit salad at home. So children, for fruit salad you need to buy fruits. Okay, now Rahul's mother told him that you bring 4 apples, 3 bananas, 5 oranges and 6 strawberries. And Rahul says, okay mother. And she did not give him any list or anything like that. So she just told him and he said okay. Then there is Neha. Neha's mother also told her that you, Neha, go to the market and bring fruits. Neha said, okay mama. But here children, Neha's mother gave him a list. Okay, she said bring 4 apples, 3 bananas, 5 oranges, 6 strawberries. And Neha says, okay mama. Now when Rahul goes to the market and when he asks that I want fruits, so when the shopkeeper asked him how many you need, that time he has forgotten. He says, oh, I don't remember. So he doesn't remember what his mother asked him to bring. Okay, how many mangoes, how many bananas, how many strawberries. So he has forgotten. So children, here you can see that. But when Neha goes to the market, he says, uncle, please give me fruits according to this list. Okay, so she hands over, she gave that list to the shopkeeper and he gave her the fruits. Now children, here you can see that Rahul has forgotten, okay, the things and Neha had the list. So if you want to remember the things, what you want to buy, you should make a list. Okay, so that we are going to study. So children, a list helps us to organize information about important things. So whichever things we feel that important and if we want to buy those things or if you want to remember those things, so better we should make a list. Now let's take an example. Take Shomu's mother. She had made a list of these clothes she had given to the Dhobi for ironing. Okay, and when Dhobi returns the clothes, she told Shomu to check the list. Okay, so while Shomu calls out the items, she counts the clothes. So this is the list that there were 5 shirts, 3 pants, 2 kurtas and 4 skirts were there. Now children, why Shomu's mother had made a list? Okay, so when Dhobi brings the clothes back after ironing them, so the clothes should not be, that any clothes should not be missing. Okay, so if she had given him 5 shirts, so their 5 shirts should be there. So this way list helps us to organize the things. List helps us that if we forget something, the list will help us to remember those things. Okay. Now let us take one example. It's a stationery list. If suppose school is reopening and if you want to buy all those things, so better you should make a list. Otherwise, if you will go to the shop and if you will keep on remembering that how many notebooks I want, whether it is 3 notebooks or 4 notebooks, that way. So for buying the things, if you want to buy more things, you should make a list. Like how many notebooks? 4 notebooks, 2 ruler, 1 crayon box, 5 pencils, 3 erasers, 1 Fevicol, this way. Now let us take one more example. It's a grocery list, children. You have often seen your mother to making a list. Grocery means like in Hindi we say kirana. Okay, so whatever household things we need monthly, so your mother must be making a list so that she should not forget something. So it may be a sugar 2 kgs, salt 1 packet, biscuits 2 packets, rice 5 kgs, soap 4. So that way your mother makes a list of the things so that she should not forget anything. So children, this is the list. So you also try to make a list of the things, like whatever things are there in your bag, or whatever things, if you're going out for a picnic, so what all things you need to take with you. That way you can make a list of the things. Okay, if you want to go to shopping, what all things you want to buy. Now there was Diwali vacation, there was Diwali children festival, so our children often make a list of the crackers, okay, which they want to buy. So these are the list which helps us to remember the things which we want to buy. Okay children, so this much for today. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.